So hey guys, welcome back friends. In this video we are going to learn about the more detail about multimeters. So this is a digital DT830D Unity Digital Multimeters. So now let us first know that how to use this multimeters. First of all, you have to power on this multimeters by using this knob key. Uh, Basically, if you want to measure the voltage by using this multimeter, around 20 voltage, this is the voltage range for the DC voltage range, right? You can measure from 20 volts, 200 volts to or 1000 volts, or 200 millivolts, or 200 2000 millivolts. So by using this knob, if you represent this knob right from this DC voltmeter side, then you can measure directly by using this knob, measure directly the voltage across your terminals. And now let us try to understand that if you want to measure the AC voltage by using this multimeters, then you need to select this range from 720 voltage to 220 voltage. You can measure AC voltage by using this knob, right? And if you want to measure the amperes from your devices, just how many amperes from loads are going through loads, then you can measure by these sections, right? You can measure different amperes by using this multimeters, right? From 10 amperes to 200 milliamperes, 20 milliamperes to 2000 microamperes, right? Now let us see that's from here what you can measure by using the symbols. Here is the frequency symbols. You can measure the frequency by using this knob. You have to select this knob on this frequency and then put out this two knobs on frequency generator, then it will be determine the value of frequency on this display. And then if you want to measure the continuity of a diodes or electrical device, then you need to select this knob on this continuity or diode symbol, and then you can use this knob to on the device, and then it will be generate a beep sound on its system, and then you can find out the continuity of this device. Finally, if you want to measure the resistance by using this device, then you need to select this resistor knobs on this resistive sections, and then you can measure out the resistance right from 200 ohm to 20,000 ohm to 20,000 kilo ohm, and then 200 kilo ohms to 2000 kilo ohm range. By using this multimeter, you can measure out the resistivity of this range from this to this. And that's all about the things that's what you can measure by using this multimeters. If you want to measure a transistor, if you want to check a transistor using this multimeter, DT830D Unity Multimeters, then you need to insert your transistor on this pin. This is the 3-pin socket which have provided in this multimeters. Which transistor if you want to test, you need to insert in this knob, and then this multimeter provide the readings. Then if the readings are being correct, then the transistor will be right, otherwise your transistor will be that condition. And the final things, if you want to measure an extra high voltage or extra high voltage current with this multimeter, then you have to only use this socket which have provided on this top, and you have only used a max voltage 10 ampere and voltage around 750 voltage for only 10 seconds, right? If you using above than 10 seconds, then it may be damage, can damage your device. So be careful, don't use max voltage, right? 500 voltage or 700 voltage AC voltage, and never use a range of ampere like 10 amperes. If you want to measure the extra high voltage, then you need to use this 3 upper side pin and this ground pin. So this is all about multimeters. I hope you understand well. Thanks for watching.